Used consistently, Dynamics 365 is a data repository replete with information about the nature of your business and your customers. If you're looking at or using Dynamics 365, you're going to want to understand the basics of data visualization. And today we're going to focus on three basic components of the system: lists, charts, and dashboards. Let's get started.
Views or lists are one way to visualize data. We'll start with views because they are prevalent throughout the system and they're helpful when creating personalized charts and dashboards. Views are easy to wrap your head around. Looking from left to right, we have columns with column headings, and scrolling down we have rows of data. This view presents a list of customer service cases sorted alphabetically by case title. We can quickly resort and filter this list, focusing on the data we need in real time. Let's say we're only interested in active cases that originated with a phone call. Easy. Let's say you expect to work with this list in the future. You can save it for future use. Additionally, we can further modify this view, adding, subtracting, or moving columns, adjusting column widths, and a whole lot more. At times, a chart is a better way to visualize and work with data. Let's go back to the view of all our customer service cases. We click here to reveal our cases, filtered and presented as a pie chart. This chart displays cases by origin. I hover over the word phone here, and you can see it indicates what portion of the chart represents origin by phone. The chart and the list on the right are interactive. Let's filter the list again to include only our active cases. We can see the chart changed on the fly. Conversely, I can filter the list by clicking on a section of the chart. I'll click on the phone portion and you'll see our list change as well. Let's look at another chart with data related to customer satisfaction surveys. We see in three cases, customers were dissatisfied with their experience. That's interesting data, but not necessarily actionable data. Let's add another dimension to the chart: the agents involved in these cases. Looks like Veronica owned two of these cases. Clicking here pulls up the two cases in question, allowing me, as a service manager, to dive in and see what might have gone wrong. Dashboards provide users with a 30,000-foot view of the Dynamics 365 records that are important to their role. Dashboards can be personalized to meet the specific needs of a single user or an entire department. Looking at this dashboard, we see some familiar elements, namely charts and lists. You may recall this chart, active case by origin, from earlier in the video. What you see here is a standard dashboard comprised of data that's native to Dynamics 365 for customer engagement. We can also bring in data from outside Dynamics to complement our system data. Here, invoice data from a Power BI report is embedded into a Dynamics 365 dashboard.
Okay, hopefully that helps you get started understanding the concepts and components of data visualization inside of Dynamics 365. For more of our Dynamics 365 videos, click here, and to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here. And until next time, take care.